Today's modern retailers are becoming more sophisticated, powerful, and demanding. Salespeople are losing millions because they have outdated and low-level negotiation skills. Traditional negotiations training will not help because it is not designed for consumer goods and not optimized for key account negotiations. In the Buyer's Shoes by Trade Dynamics is the leading key account negotiations workshop for the fast-moving consumer goods industry. The workshop is highly effective because it is designed specifically for FMCG sales teams with real-world negotiations cases based on real key accounts. The workshop is highly interactive with multiple rounds of video recorded one-on-one role-playing. Our expert facilitators play retail buyers and negotiate realistically with each of the participants. We provide leading-edge processes, tools, and templates for the participants to find win-win solutions and maximize gained concessions. Level up your sales team's key account negotiation skills now. Get in touch with us at TradeDynamicsConsulting.com.